Hey guys, the first real video. Look at this. The garage. With the car where it's all about. The interior is in really good condition, as you can see. And this side really needs some love. Look at this. Ew. I also bought something to enjoy myself with in the garage. Look at this. A nice speaker. Really cool. I'm going to add a workbench soon here, because I really want to work on some things, and yeah, in these shelves that's not really practical. You might notice this. I have some widened steelies with Toyo R888R wheels. Maybe I'm going to use it, I don't know yet. I have this truck brace. Really need some love. XSE fenders. Not going to use it on this, of course. And all the intake hoses, including good sticker for this rally. My plan for today is to strip the interior. As you can see, it's a really good condition. Looks really fine for its age, considering it has been standstill since 2015. So let's get started on that. It's in surprisingly good condition. I know the previous owner did something to this. Looks to be pretty fine. No apparent rust here. So that's really good. As you guys can see, I have the seating area half removed. And the driver's chair I also have removed. It was really stuck. I used this one for it. Probably not the best way, T40, but it did the job. And like that, the whole interior is empty. It's in pretty good condition. A little bit of fly rust here, but that's something that can be taken care of. As you know, the rust has been treated before. Maybe not in the most OEM way, but it's APK or MOT proof. The bolts were really tight, only the back seat was really loose. But the carpet is in really good condition, only some stains. What is in less good condition, and what I just saw, is this back seat, the seating. Look at this. Do you guys think I need a new one, or do you think this is reusable? It looks pretty bad, but the seating area looks to be in good condition. The seats as well, a little bit of stains. Maybe I made them, maybe not. Are in really good condition. The only thing I found was this. It's letting a bit loose, but nonetheless, not bad. Not bad at all. Something I can't handle is how dirty this is. So I'm going to clean it. You will see it in the next shot. And like that, the first part is clean.
One day later.
Hey guys, as you can see, I'm back. I'm trying to strip the interior of the car. As you can see, I've cleaned this out. This is still very dirty, but I need to get these out. I already have the other one out, but they are so stuck. Here. One is out. These work wonders. It's a tip from my dad. It works great. Oh, and by the way, it's 30 degrees outside. It's so hot. The daily, by the way. Well, the other one is out. And as you can see, I'm sweaty as hell.
Wow.
Next, let's see if the rubbers come loose. And they do. They feel really hard. I don't think that's reusable. Oh, I just cleaned it. No. And it's off. It feels really hard. I don't know. It doesn't crack. Maybe it's supposed like this, but I don't know. Let you guys know. All the noise from stuff falling is because of this. This looks nasty. That's not supposed to be there. I think there's going to be needed some welding. Previous owner left me something nice. Check this. Not needed now. And just like that, the door is fully naked. Only some isolation left. But I don't suspect anything weird behind there. So I'm gonna leave it like this. I wonder if the speakers work, but that's a future me problem. I'm going to show my newly editing skills. The before and the after. Nice. Something I'm doing is labeling all the hardware that I found that I take out of the car. So when I put the car back together again, I can find everything. Check this out. Look, all with tapes. In Dutch of course, but... And also behind here, behind the door cards, I've been doing some work off camera. I've dismantled these plastics, also the doors, and I've removed everything, also the shifter by the way. It's here. It's a really good condition actually. This rubber is still really nice. Yes, yes. I think the carpet is ready to come out. I'm really curious what's underneath it.
Many minutes later.
Yes, yes, the carpet's coming out. Let's see if I can put you guys on a time lapse somewhere. Well, that's wet. That's definitely wet. I think it's been leaking through the rubbers of the door. They look to be in a good condition, or maybe the window was open at some point, I don't know. But it's wet here, yes. Also the first thing I notice is I see some rust here, and I really hope it's not bad. Look at this, it's fully soaked. And that's the other side. Yep. As you can see, there has been done some rust work here as well. Looks kind of rough, but it's hard. Can't get it through, so I think it's okay. Let's see if... Yep, that's surface rust. I just need to sand this down and put some rust up on it. Will be fine. The rest looks in good condition actually. Not bad at all. I just found out it also could be this rubber here that has been leaking, so that needs some investigating as well. Enough work for today. It's 30 degrees outside. I really need some rest. The interior is fully stripped now. Actually not bad. Just a little bit of rust, but nothing that can be fixed. My plan with the car is to strip it, strip the engine. The engine doesn't run. The previous owner did try to start it, but it had a backfire from the inlet. That caused a little fire in the engine bay, nothing too serious, only a little cable is molten away. I have just to find it. I only know it did happen. So yeah, the engine and the interior were the first priority. Then I'm going to be doing the suspension and everything that is underneath the car. And it sounds simple, but it's really going to be a plan for more years. I'm trying to buy a house in the near future, and that also costs a lot of money. So yeah, it is what it is. But I'm going to keep you guys updated, and you will see a new video soon. Bye.